So this is when somebody sells somebody a car, they do a quick retrofit on it, they throw a fitting, but what I believe, I can't get no refrigerant in or out of here, I cannot get nitrogen in or out. So I think they stuck a retrofit fitting over the original core, and in this one, this has a valve core in it. You're supposed to take out the original valve core before you put this one on. At first I thought I was having a problem with my coupling, so I changed 3 different couplings and none of them will release. I cannot release anything. So I'm going to find out, and I'm afraid there's pressure stuck in there. I'm not sure. Oh, supposedly I got all the pressure out. Let's see what I get here. I'm going to, I have to put the camera down because I'm going to hold a rag over this just in case some pressure was stuck in there. And put my safety glasses on because I don't want to get sprayed in the face with oil. I can't. So this was a gray market vehicle from Germany. This is the Evo model, Evolve or whatever model. Special racing engine design, sports package. Okay, I don't hear nothing hissing out. Yep, that's what I thought. There you go. Idiot hard at work. That means this is totally useless. So that valve core has to be removed, and hopefully they didn't tighten it down so tight that it smashes the metal. I don't think, because this is aluminum, it's not a steel one. Oh, what the hell's in there? Something other than oil. What do we got there? That's focused. What the hell is that shit in there? Where is it? What the F is that? Is that just smashed? Oh, that's the rubber material. Okay, so there was a depressor in here. It was rubber, and it got smashed in there. It came off, and through compression, the sharp edges cut off the rubber, and the rubber was forced down around the valve core. Yeah, good going, SOB. Okay, be back on this one. I gotta do a little surgery.